to fix auto rotate on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto rotate on iPhone. I'm going to open Notes to give you instructions. Here you need to follow the instructions. Step 1 is to restart the iPhone. Step 2 is to turn off screen rotation lock. Step 3 is to disable the display zone. If nothing works, you can try by resetting your iPhone settings. Now open your control center and turn off the portrait orientation lock icon. Then open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here tap on View. Then select the option of Standard. After that, tap on Set. Now tap on Use Standard. Then go back to the home page. Now I'm going to open Notes. Here you need to follow the last step. Now open the settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset All Settings. Then enter your passcode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.